So there's a storm, or maybe typhoon or something, and it's hitting south of Vietnam the exact time that we're going to be there. So yeah, the winds are picking up, and yeah, they're quite strong. When you're going uphill and you have these strong winds, it's a challenge. Look at this, showing me up. This is impossible. There's a dog. Anyway, whoa, this is a flat road, and it feels like the steepest hill we've gone on. Whoa! Jesus. I don't know, will we get 100 kilometers done today at all?
This is like my snack drawer at work. Got a Snickers, got some Oreos, coffee for later.
You have enough coffee anyway.
Yeah, butter waffles.
What's this?
Ritz crackers. Oh,
Shakes.
no. Yeah. That's what I was gonna say.
Because yeah, you need them. Open your legs. There's a huge rip. There's a huge rip, people. What a waste of €2.
5 hours in the rain. What time is it?
I have no idea. And look at our room. It's weird. It smells even weirder. A layer of dirt. And we just got our clothes washed and put on clean clothes today.
For the first time in a week and a half.
Yeah.
Wow.
You'd think we're camping, but we're actually not. There's just no power in this town. What's for dinner? We're cooking from our camp equipment today because we're in the middle of nowhere, and although we got somewhere to sleep, we didn't get any food.
Good governor.
Hi, Tong.
What is your name? What name is your name? What is it?
Boy. Is your name Boy?
Boy and Superman.
Superman.
He is 10 years old from Vietnam. How old are you?
How old are you? Wait.
No English?
No.
No.
Today's terrain and landscapes and everything have been completely different to anything we've seen so far. Why did I decide to do this going up a hill? We've upgraded for the day. You love your bike, do you? We're in Phong Nha Caves. There's a national park and 3 different caves, I think. And we went to Paradise Cave. We heard it's a good one. So we rented a motorbike and we just entered the cave now.
Behind the scenes.
Spotlight, please. Oh, it looks so cool. Yeah, so we're going 600 steps down to the cave now, and then it's like a kilometer.
Let's have a look. This looks like cauliflower here, and then this looks like...
Yeah, there's some broccoli around the corner.
And this looks like some sort of like weeping willow tree.
just on the outskirts of Da Nang. And we got about around 10k to do before we get into the city centre, and you can't come quick enough. Oh shite. There's a big lorry in front of me. I'm gonna have a nice big juicy steak. And I really want a hot whiskey because I'm freezing from the rain today. But any alcoholic beverage would be nice. Why do we think we deserve a cake this time?
Well, we set a record yesterday for the amount we cycled in a day. It was 160 kilometers, which is 100 miles in the rain. It sucked.
In the rain, that's the worst part.
But
the
now
best
that
part.
we're here, we're pretty much in place until Christmas. And we deserve a cake, and I just bought a pizza.
But the cake is like, you know, it's not a big deal because it was 70,000 dong, so that's like
$3.
yeah. So it's just
like
makes
$1.50
sense.
each.
Mm-hmm.
Great. Oh, it's so good.